Hi friends, welcome back to my class. In the previous class, what we had discussed, creation of AMI, that is Amazon Mission Image, and how we are going to create. And from AMI, we had created one more EC2 instances, and we checked all the files are getting or not, all the services which are getting or not. So everything we had done in a last section. And in this session right now, we are going to discuss about some more options which is available in this AMI. So just please have a quick look on this. So what are the things which I had explained to you, that all those things I had mentioned here. So what I had done, so I had created one AMI from the instance which I had created. By using that, I had created one more EC2 instances, and that is running fine, and we had processed everything. So, and from here, AMI cannot be used in other regions to create the EC2 instances. But suppose for my project requirement, I need to create the EC2 instances in another region, but by using the same image only. So but here what happened? Uh, AMI cannot be used in other regions. So what I need to done? So I need to make the copy of the AMI image in the other region which I want to create the EC2 instance. So for that, what I will doing. So just I am opening the EC2 dashboard. Here go to AMI dashboard. So just click on the AMI dashboard and click on actions. Copy AMI option is the option. By using this option, we can copy the AMI from this region to the required region which I want. So AMI image, the destination, it is already in Northern Virginia region. What is the destination region? Suppose I just want to in Mumbai region. Select the Asia Pacific Mumbai region and copy tags, encrypt. Suppose if my eBay snapshot is encrypted, the encrypted AMI will be copied from this location to that location. Same key. Okay, and just copy AMI. So it can take a few minutes for the AMI to be copied. We can check the progress in the operation in the AMI table. Operation. So okay, I'm shifting to which region? Mumbai region. Because of I want to create the AMI from here. Because of I don't have the AMI in this region. Yes. Can I have the AMI image? Yes. It is in pending state only. Earlier I don't have any AMI in this region, but right now I am copying the AMI image from the Northern Virginia region to the Mumbai region. So after some time I will be able to get the AMI. So by using this AMI I will be able to create the EC2 instances. Okay, this is the one process. And one more thing. Suppose if I want to create an instance in Hyderabad region, which is available in Northern Virginia. Suppose as you checked here, as I have the AMI image. So by using the image, as usual, how earlier I had created the EC2 instance. In the similar way, I am going to create EC2 instance in the Mumbai region as well. Okay, this condition will satisfy. And share the EMI with the specific AWS account instead of public. So means either if I want to make my AMI as a public, I will be able to do that. Otherwise, if I want to share this AMI with the other account, that is my sub account, I will be able to do that. How I will be able to do that? So just click here. It's done. It's loaded. Just click on action, share, edit permissions. So here, uh, if I provide the account ID for account which I want to share, by entering the account ID, just if I click the save and changes, then automatically the AMI which I had shared it now will be automatically saved it now, will be automatically shared to the account which I want. By using this option, I will be able to do that. Okay, the further thing is delete. So once I had done my work with the AMI, I don't need the necessity of AMI in my account. So what I will do, first of all, I delete the AMI, then I will be delete the associated snapshots as well. How I will be doing that? I'm going to just click on this, add action, deregister AMI, deregister. Okay, then it will be gone. And if any associated snapshots are there, just I need to check that. So the snapshot has been already created, but it's in pending state right now. It will take some time to get it in the active state. Once it comes into active state, then we will be able to clear that. In the meanwhile, I'm going to Northern Virginia region where my actual AMI has been created. So here also the same process. Just click on AMI and select the AMI and click on actions, deregister AMI, deregister AMI. Okay, no AMIs. Okay, if any snapshots, just click the snapshots. Yeah, I have the snapshot here. I need to delete this snapshot as well. Okay, delete snapshot, delete, then no snapshot. Northern Virginia is clear. Then I just want to go to the Mumbai region. Here also in the similar way only. If snapshot is okay, here no snapshots because of before the creation of snapshot only we had deleted now, so that's why it doesn't had created. So by using this session, we had get the clarity how to create AMI, how we are going to create EC2 instance from the AMI, and how to copy the AMI from one region to another region. And once it has been deployed, how to create a EC2 instance from the by using the same image in another region, and how to deregister AMI, and how we are going to delete the snapshot. Everything we had done in a practical session. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the session. Thanks for joining the session. Thank you.